Craving a warm, filling meal made with everyday ingredients? This potatoes with bacon and sausages recipe is easy to make, full of flavor, and perfect for any day of the week. Tender potatoes combined with savory bacon and perfectly cooked sausages create a satisfying dish everyone will love. This recipe is great for a quick dinner, family meal, or when you want classic comfort food without spending hours in the kitchen. Everything comes together easily for a delicious, no-fuss meal. Put the potatoes in a pot first, then add cold water until they're covered by about 1 inch. Then bring to a boil. This is the key step for even cooking. This way the potatoes are cooked perfectly. This potato with bacon and sausages recipe is quick, hearty, and full of flavor. Crispy potatoes, smoky bacon, and juicy sausages come together for an easy homemade meal perfect for lunch or dinner. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.